So it's like middle of June, and we've had like 3 nights in a row that are like 48 degrees. So the water temps have dropped like 6 or 7 degrees in the past 2 days, and we're running super low drought conditions. So after that first big fish, which ate the swim bait hook, I'm taking my buddy John fishing, and he's just popping them left and right on Marabou jigs. So I switched up to the Pheasant Bugger Jig in an attempt to even the score, because if you don't know what's going on, that's the bug to throw right there. Get at me, bro. It's a pike. That's decent. Bugger jig. Tearing it up, which is pretty much the usual with this thing.